Thank you so much for joining us on Valley News Live. Here we are, 10:15. First alert weather days Thursday and Friday. We declared earlier in the week that this was going to be a hitch in the old giddy up, and that hitch is looking a little bigger. As we're getting new model data in right now, we're starting to see a little bit more consensus on those models of a couple of areas of concern for some heavy snow. Now tonight, as we head into the overnight hours, we have showers and thunderstorms rumbling towards our eastern counties and the Twin Cities. A few snow showers mixing in. By morning tomorrow, we might have a little bit of a quietness to the real early part of the day, but then it's on. By mid-morning, heavy bands of snow develop, swirling around. The wind will be increasing throughout the day. The main impacts to your Thursday will be in the afternoon and evening hours. That's when the accumulation will be there, and that's when the travel trickery will be there. Then the wind really gets going even as the intensity of your snowfall on Friday tapers off a bit. It will still be impactful for travelers. All of this is going to have impacts on river levels, but it's a little far out there for our models to really put that in for your river forecasts. But you can stay up to date with the very latest. Search VNL Weather in the App Store. It's free. Do it today and scroll up through the app. You can see this big river levels picture. All you got to do is click on that, and you can scroll through, find your river that's closest to you, the current level, and the forecast trace of how it will be impacted. And as well, we'll have videos updating your forecast. In fact, there's one up there right now that we just updated on snowfall amounts. You can watch that with us while we're talking about your weather. 43 Fargo, east-southeast wind, 10 miles per hour. Cold temperatures in central Minnesota, mid-30s to upper 30s there. 34 Langdon, 40 Minot. Here's the hot spot. We saw 60s today in the central Dakota area. We're down to the 40s now. Thunderstorms aplenty working their way through Minneapolis, St. Paul, heavy rain there. Notice our counties here highlighted for you in white have some showers in our southeast counties. We have this little notch of shower potential from Pierre into southeast North Dakota. And we're watching that as well for a few sprinkles, but nothing too substantial in the early overnight as this system works its way through. And it could mix with a few flakes of snow as we head towards your daybreak hours, but nothing too heavy there. Notice this expanding and getting heavier. Watch what happens as we go towards mid-morning. Yes. Okay. See this whiteness? This is very heavy snow bands developing. Heavier snow and dark blue up in the northern reaches of our viewing area with decreasing intensity towards the edges here. Look at this white moving through Otter Tail County. Watch Fergus Falls, watch Detroit Lakes, watch Fosston. This area stays in the dark blue and the whites, and Grand Forks too. Pretty heavy snow there for the prolonged period all the way through Thursday. It's going to snow heavy in places, particularly north. Then it swirls back down around with increasing north wind. So we'll have travel trouble Tuesday night late, Thursday night late, Friday morning and Friday night, with gusty winds throughout your Friday impacting travel. A good 1 inch of liquid equivalent rain is possible, and again 5 to 8 plus. The best chance at the 8 plus will be in the pink areas here. If you're in the purple area, you have a very good bet at 5 inches of snow. Otter Tail County, Mahnomen County, Bagley, out towards Park Rapids, and here in northwest portions of our viewing area in northeast North Dakota. Fargo, 2 to 5 looks like a good bet. It does look like it will be heavier for you in Grand Forks as well. And there's another look at that 1 inch plus of liquid equivalent moisture. All right, let's take a look at your, photo sent in by Paul. Another wonderful midwinter type shot here in spring. All right, Friday, snow, first alert weather day. Wind will really be a problem. The weekend looks cold. We warm things up just a pinch next week. A few showers Wednesday. Not too bad. It does look quieter later next week. That's a trend we can all appreciate.
We're rooting for quiet. Thanks,
yes.
Hutch. Still ahead tonight, questions of fairness. Intelligence use in the classroom. See how education leaders are working to adapt.